Hello everyone, this is Mach 1 Gito with Mach 1 Media, and today we're doing an unboxing video for one of Bose's in-ceiling loudspeakers, the DesignMax DM6C. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys before I actually open this box up what it actually looks like here. So we're going to go to Bose's website. This is going to be the in-ceiling speaker. For those of you that don't know audio as much as some of those that are listening, this right here is gonna make the speaker sound a lot better when you have pretty much a built-in box. That way the sound is actually, most of it's getting pushed through the grill down towards the restaurant or the bar. In the case that we're using these, is going to be for a bar. The bar right now has a couple of speakers that aren't as good as they want them to be. There's a lot of kind of echo-ness, and the bass is not as bumping as they would like. They don't have an option to add a subwoofer, so what we did is we bought some of these from Bose. We bought them from Annixter, our dealer, and we're gonna be able to go and install these for our customer. So before I actually go and open the box for you guys, I wanted to read the product overview so you guys can get a little bit of background on what this speaker does. So the product overview writes, with coaxial two-way drivers, the 125 watt DesignMax DM6C loudspeaker offers rich lows and clear intelligible highs, along with premium aesthetics that complement any commercial sound installation. The DM6C features a 6.5-inch woofer and a 1.25-inch coaxial tweeter mounted within the dispersion alignment system, delivering a frequency range of 59 Hz to 20 kHz. The in-ceiling DM6C is installed easily via quick hold mounting arms. So I'm going to be able to show you guys here the speaker. Just wanted to read this, some of the key features. You know, like we said, rich lows and clear intelligible highs, consistent listening experience, blend in with any room design. In our case, we're going to be spray painting these grills. We have the white ones, but we're going to spray paint them to match the tile ceilings that they have. The reduced installation time is good for us. These little clips right here actually help with the install a lot easier. It's gonna get a good grip there. For us, we're gonna have wood sheet. It's gonna be plywood all across the ceiling, with which they then install tiles. So we're gonna be able to mount these easily after we cut the big hole, of course, with the saw. And let's go ahead and go into a little bit of the specs here. Here's some of the frequencies, crossover, and I wanted to show you guys here the 6.5-inch woofer, the tweeter, the 8 ohm impedance, and if you wanted to, also wanted to show you some of the physical specs, just how the material, the grill, magnetic, the logo's rotatable, you can remove it. The color, well, you can pick from black and white. It's for indoor, you know, and just a bunch of more specs. For example, the ceiling cutout has to be 11.5 inches. 11.5 inches sounds pretty big, and they are. I'm about to show you guys how big these things are now. The woofer's only 6.5 inch, but you're gonna see when I show you the inside that they're kind of spread out a little bit more than the average speaker. So as you can see, it's 14 inches wide, 9.41 inches deep. So it's not your average speaker. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we're dealing with here, along with the installation accessories that come with it. Like I said, we got the white speakers, and you can see how big this is. Your average compared to your average speaker. These are gonna go in the restaurant, so they're gonna be able to fill up the room pretty good. We got the two grills. These are installation accessories for tiles, and for example, hospital ceilings, they have those tile in the ceiling tile blocks. I'm not sure what they're called, but they're suspended tile, I believe. These are going to be some additional support. As you can imagine, the speaker being so big, it's pretty heavy. So Bose sends us these so that, you know, your speakers aren't falling on people. That, of course, you're gonna need to attach these, which is pretty much metal beams. So we have these that go like, the speaker goes onto here. Of course, you hook this on here, and you're gonna be able to go and grab onto the tile frame so that your speakers are mounted with a little bit more support. These, of course, come with most speakers that are pretty heavy. So put that aside and show you what we're talking about here. So this is going to be the Bose DesignMax DM6Cs. As you can see, this is the 6.5 inch woofer that we were just talking about. The tweeters in here, a little soft. Over here you can choose the impedance. We're going to push it all the way to 8 ohms. As you can see there. Oh. We're going to have to just show you guys later. So here's where you connect your speaker wire. It's going to come from the top, and these are the clamps that are going to help us mount easily. Now this is pretty heavy, it's hurting my shoulder, but I wanted to show you guys with the grill on. Go ahead and open up the grill to show you the magnetic. So there we go. This is what a DesignMax DM6C in-ceiling loudspeaker from Bose looks like. So glad you guys like this unboxing. We got a little more products to open up for you guys here, and guys, follow us, give us some support, like our page, and let us know if you need any in-ceiling loudspeakers for your restaurant, bar, house. We got to do home theaters and all that good stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Mach with Gito from Mach Media. Thank you.